হ্যালো ফ্রেন্ডস, আজকে আবার রিডিং স্টোরির প্রোগ্রামে আরেকটা নতুন গল্প নিয়ে আসলাম। চলুন দেখা যাক এই গল্পে কি হয়। আজকের গল্পটির নাম হলো দ্য সুলতানস জাস্টিস। It is morning. The scene is the court of a sultan. Gangu and Asharam have come to seek justice. The sultan is very wise and just, but he is hard of hearing. His minister is helping him. Asharam, Your Majesty, I have come here for justice. The Sultan to minister. What does he say? The minister, speaking aloud, he says he has come here for justice. The Sultan, what is the case? What is his complaint? Asharam, Your Majesty, Gangu, an old man, lost a bag full of coins. He said he would give 20 gold coins to anyone who would return his bag. The minister, Gangu, are you here? Gangu, yes, sir, I am here before you. The Sultan, did you promise to pay 20 gold coins? Gangu, yes, Your Majesty, I did. The Sultan, then what is the matter? Asharam, I found the lost bag and returned to him. Gangu, now he is unwilling to give me 20 gold coins. The Sultan, speak loudly. What does he say, minister? The minister, Your Majesty, he says he found that lost bag and had returned to Gangu. Now Gangu does not want to keep his word. The Sultan, why do you refuse Asharam his reward? Gangu, Your Majesty, he has already taken his reward, so I won't give him any more. The Sultan to minister, can't he speak louder? What does he say? The minister, Your Majesty, he says Asharam has already taken his reward, so he will not give Asharam the promised 20 gold coins. The Sultan, have you, Asharam? Asharam, speaking loudly, no, I have not. Your Majesty, I swear. The Sultan, stop this nonsense. Explain the matter clearly. Gangu, Your Majesty, there were originally 120 gold coins in the bag, but when he returned the bag, I found only 100 coins in it. It is clear that he had already taken his reward. Asharam, no, he is a liar. I have given him all the coins. The Sultan, minister? The minister, Your Majesty, Asharam says he has not taken his reward. Gangu is telling a lie. Asharam has returned him back with all the coins. The Sultan, I see. Where is the bag? Let me see it. Gangu, here it is, Your Majesty. The Sultan, looking at the bag, strange, it is so small. Do you both swear that you are speaking nothing but the truth? Gangu, Your Majesty, I swear it contained 120 gold coins. Asharam, Your Majesty, I swear I returned all the coins. The Sultan, minister, take this back to the treasury and see how many coins it can hold. The minister, all right, Your Majesty. He takes the bag and goes away. The Sultan, now we will know who is speaking the truth. I know what to do when the truth comes out. The minister, coming back, Your Majesty, this bag can hold only 100 coins, not a single coin more. The Sultan, what have you to say now, Gangu? Gangu, Your Majesty, I have put 120 coins in my bag. The Sultan, well then, it is not your bag, Gangu. Come, when your bag is found, to minister, give Asharam his reward. This bag with 100 coins belongs to my treasury now. This is my judgment and this is my order. Asharam, Your Majesty, I pray to God for your long life. The Sultan, what did he say? The minister, Your Majesty, he said he would pray to God for your long life as long as he lives. The Sultan lifts the coat. All the courtiers go away. Gangu also walks slowly and sadly. The curtain falls. তো আজকের এই গল্প রিডিংটা কেমন লাগলো? যদি ভালো লাগে তাহলে সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন, লাইক বাটনে প্রেস করবেন এবং বেল আইকনে প্রেস করবেন। থ্যাঙ্কস ফর ওয়াচিং। বাই বাই।